What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Hay with a recipe for the day. So a couple videos ago, I made one where I described how to soak your oatmeal in an acidic medium like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, yogurt, whey, and how that can contribute to better gut health, right? It helps break down some of the carbohydrates and the proteins, and it just makes it easier to digest. And when anything is easier to digest, you're going to assimilate more nutrients, and more nutrients is better health. Better health equals better lifestyle, and so on and so forth, okay? But in that video, I said that I wanted to make another video about how to make your own cream cheese and yogurt, because I had mentioned that one of the things that you could soak your oatmeal with was whey. Now, some of you might be, the only thing that might come to your mind when you hear the word whey is like whey protein, right? That powdered stuff. That's not what I'm talking about here, okay? Whey, when you don't dehydrate it, is like that liquidy portion that you sometimes get in like jugs of yogurt. Or if you were to get unpasteurized milk and you let it separate, the cream comes on top, right? You skim the cream off, and what you're left with is the casein protein portion of the milk and the whey, which is essentially the liquid portion of the milk. Okay, but what I'm going to show you is how you can make your own cream cheese, very high quality cream cheese, and whey, the kind of whey that you can use for all kinds of different recipes, of which, I can give you a couple examples in a little bit. But first, let me show you. So all you need for this, real briefly, okay? You want to get yourself some nice high quality yogurt here, okay? Obviously you don't have to get a brand. I'm not getting any money or anything for advertising this. This is just a brand that I really like. It's organic, it's grass fed, so you're getting very high quality yogurt. But again, you don't have to get this company. Just ensure you're getting high quality yogurt. But good yogurt, get yourself a nice strainer like this, kind of like what you would use if you're making spaghetti or pasta or anything like that. A bowl of some sort, and a few paper towels, okay? It's very, very simple. So I'm going to show you right now. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the paper towels. I took them out in sections of 3, okay? And I'm going to put them, okay, one like this, okay? And then I'm going to take the other section of 3 and just place it in on top of the other one in the opposite direction, okay? That's not incredibly important, but it can help a little bit, okay? So after that, then what I do, all right, kind of tight space here, all right, just gonna go ahead, open the yogurt up, okay? Now this is a sign of a good quality yogurt when you see that nice cream layer on the top, okay? It's not skimmed, it's not fat-free, doesn't have any added sugars or anything like that, okay? All I'm gonna do is I'm going to stir that in, so it gets a little bit more of an even distribution again, okay? Nice and windy out here. Hopefully my paper towels don't blow out of here. Nice windy afternoon. Okay. Then all I do, okay, you can use paper towels, you can use cheesecloth, okay, but basically just anything that's going to allow very, very fine like liquids come through, but essentially keep solids out, okay? So I'm literally just going to pour the yogurt on top of the paper towels, which are in the strainer. Okay, it's all in the strainer. And the strainer is on top of a bowl. Okay. Get all that good stuff out. Okay. So, there you have it. It is just kind of right inside the bowl here, and you just let it sit like that, honestly, for several hours. And after several hours, what will happen is the whey portion will begin to drip through, filter through the paper towels in the strainer and into the bowl, and you'll get whey. And that whey you can use to make your own fermented beverages. You can use it to soak your oatmeal in. You can even drink it by itself as like a little supplement to boost your immunity, get a little extra probiotics. But the whey will drain inside, and then on the top, you'll have some really good, high quality cream cheese. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon as I'm filming this. So I'm just gonna come back several hours later, like at the end of the day, and we'll check it out. We'll see how much is drained. We'll see how much whey has dripped through and the kind of cream cheese that we got left. All right, I'll see you then. All right, so here we are. It's been about 9 hours later. You don't have to wait that long if you don't like to, but several hours, at least a good 5 or 6 hours. I checked on this about 5 hours afterwards, like 6:30, and it looked pretty good then. But honestly, I just didn't feel like dealing with it at that point. So I waited a couple more hours, and here we are. But if you come over now, you'll see that the yogurt I put in here, okay, the whey has dripped to the bottom, okay? And on top here, again, it's much like cream cheese. It essentially is. And I've done this a few times now. You can spread it just like you would on a bagel or any other use you would find for cream cheese. Lox and bagel, whatever you want to use it for. You can add honey and cinnamon, all kinds of things. And once again, the whey, it's not something you want to throw out, okay? It's something you can use to ferment different beverages, make fun like homemade orange juice, which I made, your own ginger ale. One that I'm gonna try, and I'll let you know how it comes out, is like my own fermented apple cider. All kinds of things. Or you can just drink it by itself, but it definitely has a lot of uses. And all you have to do is a quick little Google search, and you can find plenty to try on your own, in addition to anything I tell you here. But I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, for training and pricing options, check out jhaystrength.com.